Hey you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an ice dye video. So I'm going to be using the Pro Chem kit today. This is the rainbow colored kit and I've done multiple projects with it. It's a great kit. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So like I said, I'm using this Pro Chem kit, but you can use any kind of Procyan dye. I like this kit because it comes with 6 colors. It comes with soda ash, which is a fixative that helps to make sure the dye does not wash out. And it also comes with synthropol, which is also known as dyer's detergent. So I think it's a great value. Here are the color swatches that I have made with this kit. You can see it's a really nice rainbow palette, and this is 100% cotton. So I'm going to be using a 100% cotton t-shirt that has been washed. And I'm going to put the links for everything that I've used in this video down in the description box. So if you want to check it out, you can click on those links. I have my shirt here and I'm just going to do a simple scrunch inside the colander. Let me just make sure my surface is nice and clean because my dye studio gets really messy. Let's do this. Okay, so now I have my colander here and this is just a bucket, so it fits right inside of the bucket like this. And I'm going to take my shirt and just stick it in there. So this is my collar. I'm making note of my collar and my hem here. I want to do sort of like an ombre effect on this. So I'm going to kind of make sure there's a lot of surface exposed. And this is going to allow the runoff to come through the holes. So that is going to be on the rack today. I just taught a workshop, so I have a ton of ice, and I'm going to just use it up. Okay, that's good. Now let's put some soda ash on there. Open this bad boy up. Whoa, tricky with my gloves on. I'm gonna just cut it. Okay, that's good. Red, blue, purple, and black. Let's do it like that. I'm gonna do purple in the middle because it's kind of like a mix of all the colors. And this stuff is very powerful. I really don't need very much. Maybe just a tad more right there. Red. I'll do it I'll do here. Do red down here. Blue. And then I'm going to do the black at the ends, at the hem here, and at the, just a little bit up at the collar. Ooh. Okay. And maybe I'll just even do a little black on the top. Okay. I'm wondering if I need more blue. Maybe just a hair. And purple. I'll just do a little bit of purple right here. So I kind of want it to all be like mixing together, but like an ombre. All right. There we go. That is great. Now I'm going to let this sit for at least 24 hours and we'll see how it comes out. Here is an extreme close-up so you can see what it looks like as it's starting to melt. And if you guys are liking this video, be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more videos like this.
Okay. It has a lot of dye on the top still, so I'm going to be really careful. Let's take it out. Ooh. All right. Wow, okay. This one has some really nice scrunches on it. And of course it's gonna look different once I wash it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take it to the sink and wash it.
I'm rinsing it here with cold water to get all of the excess dye out, and it can take a little while for all the excess dye to come out. I'm waiting for the water to run relatively clear, which can be really hard, especially with red. After the water starts to run a little bit more clear, I'm going to add my Synthropol, also known as dyer's detergent, and start to wash my piece. The dyer's detergent helps to make sure that the excess dye comes out of the shirt and does not re-dye the lighter parts of the shirt. So I really recommend using Synthropol. This kit comes with Synthropol, so that is really great. But if you are looking for an ice dye kit, I've actually made a video where I tried a bunch of different kits for ice dye, and I talked about which ones were my favorite and which ones were my least favorite. So I'm going to link that video at the end of this video. So if you're looking for a suggestion, I really recommend you watch that video next. After hand washing this piece, I'm going to put it in the washing machine on hot with more Synthropol and dry it. Here it is after it's been washed and dried. I got a really nice scrunch pattern. You can see it looks like a galaxy, and I love this color combination. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever made a galaxy t-shirt and what kind of dyes did you use. I'm always curious to know what you guys are up to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you try any of my tutorials, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Onyx Art Studios. If you're new to ice dye and you're looking for the perfect kit for you to get started, I really recommend you check out this video here. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!